You know, Windows 11 on one side is a very annoying system, and then Visual Studio, you cannot go back before 2026, not even 2022. So when you load your programs from 2022 onwards, or even 2019, 17, 15, whatever, then you get this. It took me a while to figure this one out, because when you go on to the net and you ask for what it is, you know, it gives you this nonsense of a thing to say, to correct this error, move the class, blah 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 blah. Now I look everything through, and eventually I double click on something within my program, and then I found something strange. Now it says here that this component doesn't be found, and this one couldn't be found. So let's close this so that I can show you this, what I've done. I open this and I say, okay, blah 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 blah, load this guy, and then you have the shock of your life. You're standing over there, or you try this and you try that, and then you get all this 9 errors, and actually it's not errors. It's these two things, blah blah blah. Okay, so let me show you quickly how to get this. You're going into your references and you will see the yellow triangles, I'm not found. So when you right click on this and you say remove, right click on that one and you say remove, then close this. Okay, this is your form design. Just close this and reload it. So it's supposed to work. So when you double click on it, and voila, everything is back again. So there's nothing in your reference list that is not loaded, and then suddenly everything is back again and you can continue as normal, or not. Let's see. Let's run the program, and the program will do what? Okay, and everything is in. So yes, there you have it. The program is fine, work fine, everything is there, everything is saved. So let's just make sure it's saved again, and let's go and reload it to make 100% sure is it there, blah blah blah, that one, and let's see, it's blah, open up, and you get this error again. Why? Because what now? What is your problem now, man? What is your problem now? You know, this language where you cannot go, you see, you have to reload it and blah blah blah, and you save it, and maybe I'm not sure, but this is what's happening. So yeah, maybe it's your compile and blah blah blah, I don't know. Anyway, that is the best and the quickest solution I could get. Hopefully it helped you. Anyone who have the same problem, as you can see, there's no errors, and the outlet, blah blah blah. Okay, there's nothing on the outlet. They say there's 6 warnings, and when you go and you say, man, show me them, blah blah blah, and then it's just the normal things, and you have 44 messages. Really? Okay. Anyway, enjoy, guys. Hopefully it will help you.